somebody waiting in the distance. All I could notice.
Wait.
This house.
When I'm with you, maybe I feel light as a feather.
When I'm with you, I feel hard as a rock.
Oh, like when we said we would have a night of just candlelight. A night for candle.
Washington. What? They gotta pay to see us, son. You got a chicken? Why the fuck is Mumford and Sons playing Quincy?
When I first got this camera, I was in love. And
It was cool. Oh. Wow. That's cute. Oh damn, that's so cool. They just like pick up the dirt and then they just plop it into the truck. Can they do that in this one? We can
Like Tonka, but it's like huge.
It's dirty. New planets?
You know what's actually really cool? I was going to NASA's website. Oh, yeah, that planet that's all water. They found, where they said there's probably life on it. I think there's life on it.
New planet?
New planets are being found all the time.
That has water?
There's one that's covered in water. It's called like X73b or something.
What?
It's 120.
You heard about that?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I think they should call it something more
Personal.
easy to say.
Easy to say.
Yeah.
Doggy.
But they think there's life in there.
Whoa.
can you see it?
Like they didn't quite.
It's kind of you're trying to like hype it, and we won't really know for a long time. We're gonna have to do a lot more tests, but they're studying it, and it would be so cool if there's like a big ocean. I mean,
It's closed. There's no entering or exiting. It is done. Store closed, suspended. Empty. Empty building. Empty vessel. Empty. Incessant beeping, signaling, warning, exiting, entering, leaving. Oh, healing, closure, closure. The sweet, seductive
Resurrection. Yoni cleanse and reclaim.
Finally.
All the powers and the powers that be in the
All those
divinity of the
lessons.
Yoni we do not disrespect.
And we are in need of a parting of ways, an
So we
integration.
shall do that as a part of the
What
4-day
never will
retreat,
be.
one day plan.
Closure comes from within.
Special secret thing.
I've heard. Oh, within. Kind of without you. Without you, closure. There's my car still.
That's how you know they like it.
Oh, the day
Really
that I see you,
that's what I was saying. We gotta get. We're doing
I will have closed.
It's just already happening.
that wound. Oh, to
My favorite part of dancing is the
it is.
My favorite part of dancing is the partner massaging.
We have Bobby's camcorder and
Yeah, for the party. Small keg for the party. For the small
they
part.
did tricks in there. On the trampoline?
They on the keg. They did hands.
you do?
The keg stands. I did not do it.
What did you do?
That's not what I look like off camera. That's totally not what I look like. Well,
My
full
favorite part of
disclosure, I do not
dancing
look
is the
like
partner
that.
massaging.
God, what's that in there? What is that?
My favorite part of dancing is the partner massaging.
Oh my god.
My favorite part of dancing is the partner massaging.
Wait, oh. There we go.
Yeah, but don't worry, not too much.
Hold on, I have to
You got it. You got control now.
Am I getting this?
Let it rip.
Bean? I just don't want to get Mona's thing. No, I don't see that. I don't see that. Oh, okay. Maybe we'll be coming out of the
Are you gonna emerge from the forest?
Whoa. Like a buggy creature.
Should I drink it? No. Wait. Okay, I'll come up.
Don't drink it.
Okay, action! Okay. Uh-oh. My water broke. No. Oh, my water's gone. Mom, are you coming to take my water? Mommy! No! I'm paralyzed with fear!
You thought you could hide. All of your fabulous juices are flowing.
No! Not my juices! Don't
I am the hetero monogamous white man. And I've come to take all your vital juices. maybe I'll just spit all over you on that bedpost and do some performance art for Josie's birthday party.
Okay, ready?
I think everyone would get agree. Okay, guys, that was
conceptual. That's really like new age. That's new age experimental. I can't believe you guys really pulled that. Where's your research from? What kind of research are you doing? Yeah, literally. It's very important to read up on your conceptual artist before you become one yourself.
I like it on my neck like that.
Falling apart. Okay, right. I think people would buy flowers in Seattle, or they're just so content with them on the ground that they wouldn't buy.
Use me as your scratching.
They do? Because I'm a florist and I'm considering moving here as a business proposal. I know some local florists, and I would say that business is kind of always booming. Oh, good to know.
I like it on my neck like that. Fallen soldier! Left with but a mere napkin at his grave. To be rejected by society while having the most beautiful skin. How did you find yourself here in the vanquish of scratching? Oh, a tiresome face. Written with thanks. Right under
I wish I had our knives so we could skin them and do them right.
harder. I like it on my neck
That's a
like
big
that.
swirl. Yes, we hope you have a good next life. Why is he like holding a napkin? Did someone leave him? What?
The end of the healing retreat, you will become one.
Oh, it doesn't hurt. Nothing hurts anymore.
Nothing.
We're healed.
No one never even heard of the word pain.
Just goes away when you heal. It's all better. Who cares?
Okay, wait, I don't know if I stopped it.
I think if it's blue now, it should be stopped.
This?
Oh wait. This is kind of a special. I needed to go on a healing retreat.
That's why I came here. That's why I'm going. I don't know. Feel the crowd. Feel it. That's how you know they like it.
Yeah.
We should do really acrobatic.
I know, that's what I was saying.
We gotta get. No, you're doing it.
Oh yeah.
It's just already happening. Okay, the reason why we're here together. The real reason why we're here together on this healing retreat is because we're gonna have Yoni resurrection. Yoni cleanse and reclaim. All the powers and the powers that be in the divinity of the Yoni we do not disrespect. And we are in need of a dire cleansing. So we shall do that as a part of the 4-day retreat, 1 day by 1 day plan.
It is. Closure. It's closed. There's no entering or exiting. It is done. Store closed, suspended. Empty building. Empty vessel. Empty. Incessant beeping, signaling, warning, exiting, entering, leaving. Oh, healing, closure. The sweet, seductive quality, closure. Finally, all those lessons. Parting of ways, an integration of what was, what never will be, cause closure comes from within, I've heard. Oh, but within, without you, closure. There's my car still.